Hello everybody, this is Chris with Keen Observations. Just wanted to do a quick video on my CLA from Benchmade. It is the green micarta, actually green G10. Opens out the side, and I want to show you the problem I have with it. When I'm pressing on the button to release it, it's crunching. So something's grinding on the inside, and this is brand new out of the box. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna come up closer. It doesn't release very nicely. When you press on the button, you hear it's grinding on something. It's just not very pleasant to use. Half the time, if I'm in a hurry to open it up, it doesn't open up. It's stuck halfway down. Look at that. What's that about? And sometimes it'll stick, and it'll stick just before opening, and I have to shake it. That is crap for almost $400. What do you guys think? Should I send it back or send it to Benchmade and have them try to do something with it? Anybody else have a problem with that?